Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off color filter shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on accessibility. In here, tap on visibility enhancements. Next, we go down and tap on add color filter. And in here, we want to tap on add color filter shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or off. Now tap on the got it button to clear the screen. Now if you tap on the left hand side panel in here, it will give you 3 different options how you can add a color filter shortcut. You can add the color filter shortcut to the accessibility button at the bottom here. If you tap on that, you can see now it has color filter. If I switch it off, if I turn off, now I need to at least select one item, so I'm going to remove the shortcut from the accessibility button. Now if I tap on the little man icon, you can see that color filter now has been switched off. Alright, so that is one of the options. The other 2 options is to set it to the volume key. So you can set it to the volume up and volume down key. If I set it to both this key, and if I press and hold for 3 seconds, you can see it will turn off color filter. And if I press and hold to it, it will turn on color filter again. Okay, so that is one of the options. And the last option is to press side and volume key. So if I set that to the side and volume key, I can press on the side and volume up key, and that will allow me to quickly turn it on or off like that. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.